Okay, ready, start sound.
Quiet, please.
Camera.
Rolling.
And action.
Taking.
Okay, taking and sound.
Come on, yeah.
Roll camera, 5, 6, 7, go!
She is also in a very bright mood.
Oh, so I can be.
So the smile.
मन को अति भावे सैया. It's a completely mad song, hysterical, very vibrant, a typical song that you would associate with Salman Khan. Shot in Paris in the night, from Eiffel Tower to Louvre Museum to all the beautiful locations of Paris.
मन को अति भावे सैया करता था थैया मन गाए रे हाय रे हाय रे हाय रे हम प्रियतम हृदय पसैया पागल हो गईया मन गाए रे हाय रे हाय रे हाय रे जो मारी नैन कम करिया तो चल के प्रेम का करिया और भीगी सारी ना करिया सब नृत्य करे संग संग तोरे बाण लगे नस नस में नहीं प्राण मरे अब बस में मन डूबा प्रेम के रस में हुआ प्रेम मगन कण कण
This was a very critical situation because in the film comes a juncture where finally Asin accepts Salman's love. And this is an expression of that acceptance.
विपुल सर ने जब भी पहले गाना सुनाया तभी उन्होंने मुझे कहा हुआ था कि पेरिस अगर जो आप रात को देखोगे तो बहुत ही खूबसूरत है. मुझे हाँ रात को अभी कैसा होगा अगर स्ट्रक्चर इतने खूबसूरत स्ट्रक्चर है वो रात को कैसे अच्छे दिखेंगे. लेकिन यहाँ पे आप देखोगे सब स्ट्रक्चर को इतनी खूबसूरती से लाइट किया हुआ है वो मेरे ख्याल से रात में ज़्यादा खूबसूरत लगता है दिन से.
Paris was the first day, or rather night of shoot. It was with Salman sir, and we were filming a song sequence, and it's a full-on masti song, which we had to shoot for a few nights in a row. And the first night for London Dreams happened with Salman sir in the Louvre Museum. The temperature was freezing and there was no way I could wear anything warm underneath or over my dress. And that night actually set the tone for the rest of the schedule.
अगर ठंड हो और हवा नहीं हो तो you can handle it, but ठंड हो और हवा हो तो फिर तो बहुत परेशानी होती है. अब उसके अंदर नाचना तो काफ़ी डिफ़िकल्ट था. तो इट वाज क्वाइट पेनफुल, बट अब जब देखते हैं तो ऐसा लगता नहीं कि वहाँ पे इतनी ठंड थी. लेकिन इस पिक्चर की कुछ कुंडली ऐसी थी कि जहाँ पे गए वहाँ पे ठंड गई. जैसे कि पंजाब गए तो पंजाब में ठंड थी, लंदन गए तो लंदन एम्बैंकमेंट के पास शूटिंग करे तो वहाँ पे भी पानी, वहाँ पे भी हवा. तो काफ़ी डिफ़िकल्ट हुआ शूट करना इस फिल्म को ठंड की वजह से. लेकिन हो गई कंप्लीट.
मन को अति भावे सैया करता था थैया मन गाए रे हाय रे हाय रे हाय रे हम प्रियतम हृदय पसैया पागल हो गईया मन गाए रे हाय रे हाय रे.
This was the first 5 days of the shooting of the film. Extremely cold weather and we were freezing, and we were having our toes of our feet going numb by 2 in the morning. It's a very tough job, when you're feeling so cold, and particularly for Asin because she was wearing this thin red dress and she was literally shivering. Now when we designed the outfit, we never knew that when we'll land in Paris, it's going to be so cold. We had to get the heaters to keep herself warm. Otherwise, she wouldn't have been able to continue. But she didn't complain even for a moment, and we went on with it. And then I wanted Rajiv Surti, who is the choreographer of the song, I wanted Rajiv to give a step to Salman, which in my mind it was always very sure that I wanted Salman to look like Dharamji. You know, the way Dharamji used to express his love when he used to go completely freaked out.
जी ये गाना काफ़ी मस्ती वाला गाना है. इसमें प्यार है लेकिन इनोसेंस है. जैसे कि अगर जो आप धर्म पाजी का अगर जो आप कैरेक्टर देखोगे वो कभी भी डांस करते थे मैंने, ताकि गाने में भी एक स्टेप रखा हुआ है रजिस्टर के लिए कि वही मैंने इनोसेंट सलमान भाई में डालने की कोशिश की है.
Manu Ko Ati Bhave is it's a crazy song. It's a Salman Khan romantic song, and the lyrics play a very important role. And the way I've sung it also, it's a mad romantic song.
This is a relief song, as I would say. It is a song which actually I have written because of Salman Khan, because of his character, because what I like about him.
I love the tune. I love the way Shankar sang it to me, and I thought this was perfect. This was completely mad. This was completely hysterical. And then we got Prasoon in, and I again explained my philosophy of the song and the way I wanted it to be done. And Prasoon said, "यार हिंदी भाषा में तो मैं लिखूंगा तो ये बड़ा अजीब लगेगा. Let me think about it." He thought for a very long time, almost 2-3 days, and then he came up with this idea and he said, "Let me write it in bridge bhasha, because a character like this, if he's going mad, then let him have a different expression in terms of language also."
इस तरह से आप देखेंगे कि हिंदी के ऐसे शब्दों का एक हुजूम, एक ensemble है जो आप you will find it's pretty enjoyable. It's funny and it's very upbeat, and it has love and chemistry between Asin and Salman.
This is driving 10 million.
The only romantic number of the film, so very important that audience likes it for us, all of us. And again, in the entire culture of the album, the way concerts are, or way the other songs are, this is like one standalone song which justifies the emotion of that moment so well that it's just perfect for the moment. If you heard the other songs, you can't, and then if you listen to this song, you can't believe that this song belongs to London Dreams. It's that diverse from the entire culture of the album. So I think it is fantastic to see a song in a film which has got a different structure for music of this kind. It's just fantastic. It breaks the whole album and it takes it to another place, another level.
I try to write most of the very Hindi and very khadi boli and Sanskritized Hindi kind of words, which makes it even more enjoyable, because you haven't heard these words for over a long time. Probably a lot of people would have read such words in their textbooks. मन को अति भावे सैया,
मन को अति भावे सैया कर दादा थैया, दिल गाए रे हाय रे हाय रे, हम प्रीतम हृदय बसैया पागल हो गैया, दिल गाए रे हाय रे हाय रे हाय रे.